Happy holidays everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this DIY, I'll show you how I made these glamorous frosty blingy snowflake candle holders. This is one of the few of my DIYs that I will be using in my upcoming Winter Wonderland Tablescape. So if you're interested in seeing how it's done, then please keep watching. Okay, so now this video is going to go pretty fast. I have some masking tape, and I have one of the smaller cylinder vases from Dollar Tree. And what I want to do is just apply some tape to the vase. Now everything that I do is optional. You can always make this your own. First thing I'm going to do is flip this upside down, and then apply some tape right at the base. Okay, so I'm done adding my 4 rolls of tape. What I want to do now is remove the bottom piece and the third piece from the bottom. So now we have our design. Okay, here I have some Mod Podge, and it's just a last little bit in there, so I'm just going to use the lid from the container. I have some white glitter. Most of the time you find the white glitter it's an iridescent glitter. I wanted white glitter, so I ended up purchasing this on Amazon. I'm going to use this, and if you're interested in using this glitter, I'll leave a link in the description. Alright, so now I'm going to add some glitter to the vase. Okay, so I'm going to let this dry and then come back. Now the glitter has completely dried. That's the look that I'm going for. So what I want to do is go ahead and move the tape. Now I'm not going to worry about the lines being exactly straight because I can come in and fix that. And I'm also going to glue some bling wrap around it. Alright, so just like that. So I'm going to put one here, here, and here, and then come back. Alright, so I'm done adding a row of bling to each one of those lines. And this is what it looks like. It's really pretty, just like it is. But now what I want to do is add a snowflake. And I have this white one as well. So what I want to do is mix the two. I want to use the white background of this snowflake and the silver flower in the front of this one. So there's a wire on the back, and all you need to do is remove that wire. I'm just going to cut it with some scissors because it's just that thin. And that pulls everything apart, including the little stone. And there's that wire on there, just pull it off. And then remove as much of that as you can off. If not, then just glue this back on. Like that. Okay, so now what I want to do is cut this loop off. Okay, so now it looks even all the way around. Okay, so what I want to do now is take some Mod Podge, and I want to add some glitter to the edges of the snowflake. Again, I'm using my chunky glitter. Just like that. Now I'm going to hot glue this right in the center. Next up, I'm going to take my candle holder, my vase, and lay it flat. We're going to glue this on top. I'm going to take some Gorilla Glue and some hot glue. And glue my snowflake in place. Now once the hot glue sets up, you can add some more to the back if you want to. And that's what I'm doing on each side of my snowflake. Alright. So I'm going to set this aside and let this completely dry and come back and let you see what it looks like on display. Okay everyone, this concludes my DIY. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please leave me a thumbs up. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to my channel. And please don't forget to turn on your notification bell and comment below. I really love reading the comments from you all. Alright guys, see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.